guess no, I think I've even told you already. But I am enjoying to call it lunch or say brunch. Western and nice. Don't worry. I'm going to vlog me. I have quite tea.
Hi, welcome back to a new vlog. I have with me one yummy mother. A yummy mother of two. Look at her. Do you know her? She is Yasmi of Taste and Bloom. Taste and Bloom, please introduce yourself.
Please, I have Muspania. So, welcome to the Western and channel. Today I am grazing your screen. Okay, my name is Yasmi, and here on YouTube I am Taste and Bloom. She has come all the way from prayers to the choir. She promised to come visit me. So today they shall acknowledge the promise. So we have to sit somewhere small and then chit chat about life and then move on. So yes, that's all.
So I came all the way from the Republic of Asante-Bekwai to Kumasi to come and meet Taste and Bloom. From here, I'll go to Alignment and collect my things from my seamstress. So we are here to chit chat more. And guess what? She wants to spoil me. She wants to she wants to defeat my weight loss journey. She said we should go and eat fufu, and I said no. So this is what I have.
I think she puts
this is what I am having with green pepper. See, if you want to bake for me, please, I am an why be intentional. Be intentional, never why. So guys, our date is ended. The seamstress has disappointed me. So because I'll be going to my seamstress, she has disappointed me, so come say the bro, it is what it is. Please thank her for me. Please thank her for me in the comment section.
And thank you for also to come and visit.
I'm into bomb. There's one for my mister. All the door. So guys, you will see her next time when I visit. Bye. Ladies of today, let's wise up. Let's wise up. Me and go around me that, but guys, look at all these oils here. We have a curse breaker, stop evil, do as I say, charming oil. Ram oil in everything. Come to me. Come to me.
Love attraction.
Love attraction. Can you imagine? Someone came here and bought charming oil and is requesting for a charming paper. She asked for something paper. I've forgotten the name. Something paper. There were people here. I would have asked her what she will use it for. And then one thing is they assume a Rama knows what these things are for, but trust me, it's only business they do with this. If these things we believe in them, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't have been a divorcee. I would have you understand. So I'm putting this across. Even if this is something that we believe in, something that and not for business, I wouldn't be telling you this. Guys, does it work? If you have someone, can't you love the person genuinely? And the shocking thing is these things are they are prescriptions given by pastors, so-called men of God. They prescribe all these things for the ladies and the gentlemen to come and buy. Just imagine, you have this one. It's called Back to Sender. So the oils are 2 colors, but when you mix them, you see, when you shake them, they will never be together and mix it. Look at it, and it has a knife in. I am a Christian. I believe in prayer, but I don't believe in all these things. I don't believe in all these things, that if you have a man in your life, if you have a woman, a husband, a boyfriend, whoever, then you have to come and be buying all these things. No, I don't think those buying these things can use them in the presence of the people for whom they have bought it. Assuming I'm going out and I buy this or these, any of these oils, there is no way I'll be able to use it in the presence of whoever I want to charm, whoever I want to capture, whoever I want to hypnotize. Ladies, let's wise up. Let's love from our hearts. These things, they are temporal, they are time bound. You will use it today, tomorrow you'll be prescribed a new thing. It's like you are climbing a stair. There are levels. The higher you go, the higher and the expensive your prescription will be. Please, do not force yourself on him. It will be difficult. It will be difficult. It will be heartbreaking. But please, let them go. Let's leave them alone. If it's a woman, leave her alone. Let her live. And stop wasting your money on all these oil. Oba Kande.
To make power should be here.
Martin,
I will slap your face.
You will slap my face. Fire for me. Hey. Yeah, if you're fan now, for then I'll pay woman. Guys, you see, me can't know where you in the out to yeah. And then I'll pay woman. When they made their grow and made things, they don't pay me when the song guys my minty. And then I'll pay me.
Never go to.
And then I'll pay me. Minka, dear Mimpa. Miss Minka. Minka, dear Mimpa. Okay. Now, me pay when they say 19. Meaning some man, why, me buffoon come. But unya me one, but when see they are going in and to call me names I are conda, then talk. Young wonder. Hey, I don't bet a man is our beautiful. I think the second summer. And no pen, Nankanya talk and no governor open. I never remember the night before Nature got married. You be a floor. If you come out by near Belcoya, it's a ban. I do not send me see. Oh, Haramabwa. Yakwana, I do not do my Mr. Walco, yeah, bridal shower near me, be nearby. Okay, this is a bad man, Mr. Wano. I buy a mean cojarina, man, Jarino, you bufu ya man, Jarino, cojarina buyer. I didn't talk any says one up now. And you know, that is the only time we have exchanged words. Yabeka say yeah, but the rest in it there are nothing serious to write home about. But this one, it was give and take, but we were careful with our choice of words. And by the following day, we had forgotten about everything. We moved on. Ramadan apel me, makanya me peo. Uni weka. Minkanya me peo. Na me peo when they say wa humi anti minna. Wa humi anti minna. Na ofafo na ofre me. Abna mafiwo, abna me dowo, abna me yada o. She's not comfortable. I come here, I'm be fast to tears. Oh, me dia some tears. Bye.
Come and pass them materials.
Yeah, yeah, Fresh is
Boy.